there's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe. Open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. That's not the wrong one. There you go. So this is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use, and see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood.
all SCs and everyone na yaan po sa showroom. Mahagad mo po kaming suporta na i-like and share ang current live na po via Hyundai Legazpi City-Bicol.
Something is calling, and I can't help it. Let's don't belong when there ain't no song. This is my mood when I make a move. Watch me as I go. This is my mood when let's take a break. There's no use. And see what's new. This is my mood when I make a move. This is my mood when
Jane, ang cue mo after raffle. Ayan. After raffle.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to day 2 of our Media and Content Creator Day here at Hyundai Legazpi. I'm John Spider.
And I'm Casey Vinosa. Yesterday, Mom Joms was amazing, right?
Yes.
Now, but today, we're turning the energy up even more. New cars, more features, more fun, and of course, more chances to win our SM gift certificates.
Yes,
Ayan.
Casey. So ayan na naman tayo. Papaguluhin na naman natin yung mga tao for our SM Gift Certificate Raffle.
Ayan.
O guys andito na ulit tayo. So please tune in our page, like, share.
Yes.
Oo, kasi may share badge lang po yung makakasama sa may prize.
Yes.
Ayan. So before we started, we want to thank our amazing sponsors who made this exciting day possible. Standard Insurance Naga, Babam Care Car Service, Varems, IMJ Interactive, Electronics, ABS Catering, and of course, yung mga visitors natin today. Guys, kaninang umaga andito silang lahat and ang iba po andito pa rin ngayon. Ayan, Casey. Sige nga, sino-sino nga yung mga umattend kaninang umaga and today na nandito pa rin?
Ayun, Ma'am Zoms, thank you so much. Ngayon po, actually this morning, ang daming mga content creator na pumunta, no? So, all the way from Dait, Red Ventures Philippines. Also, we have Evan Mabitag, Oscar Ratanyo, Zomari Namia, and of course, we have the Lakwetcherong Irigenyo, J. Carlos, and Miss Mitch Villanueva of Legazpi, Wonders of Ragay, Nars Quachero, Sitanyes, Ariel Stories,
here in Legazpi.
Yon, of course,
Ayan.
here in Legazpi. And
And-
Libot Kamsur, andito all the way from Naga, no? May mga
Yes.
vlogger din tayo all the way from Naga. And
Licuachero
this
Nagenia.
afternoon, yes, andito si Licuachero Nagenia and Orgulyo na Naga.
So, guys, all the way from Camarines Sur and Camarines Norte po, pumunta talaga sila dito sa Legazpi para tulungan tayo, ang Hyundai, na makilala siya sa buong Bicol region.
Ayun, yes, ma'am.
Ayan.
So it's a back-to-back event, Ma'am Zoms.
Yes.
So last week, nasa Naga tayo.
Uh-huh.
Now, dito naman sa Legazpi. Yesterday is a very successful event
Yes.
with our bank officers and valid clients. Now, today naman, may aming pumunta mga vloggers and also clients din, Ma'am Zoms.
Yes.
So thank you very much po sa lahat ng mga pumunta.
Yan, thank you. And yun na nga, aside, kumbaga sa speaking of our sponsor.
Sponsors?
Yes.
I believe we have-
Meron ka tayong kasama ngayon. Ang maganda.
Napakaganda.
Yes. At dashing.
Sexy?
Yes. Very hot. Ayan. Dito si Ma'am Leslie of Standard Insurance.
Ayun.
Naga. Yan.
Please come forward.
Hello everyone! Hello Mas Jong, sa Miss Case.
Hello, ma'am.
Good afternoon sa inyong lahat. I'm Leslie, Naga Branch Head. Maraming salamat muna sa inyo sa trust and for choosing us to be your sponsor and your partner. No, thank you very much
You're
po.
welcome, ma'am. You're welcome po. So, ayan, Ma'am Leslie.
Oo. Can I also invite my
Your
my
team.
ladies, my
Ayan.
beautiful ladies.
Sige
Oo. I'm with my team, Laika and Karen. Thank you very much for inviting us po.
Kaya talaga magaganda, ma'am, yung staff mo kasi maganda yung head nila. Parang kami.
Of course.
Of course.
Ayan.
Starting with our sales
Ayan.
manager,
Oo
Ma'am
naman.
Joss. At papunta na din sa sales.
Siyempre.
And papunta na din sa mga ahente na gaganda at tagwagapuhan, Ma'am.
Dapat
Joss.
lang,
Yes,
maganda.
Yes, ma'am.
Oo.
Sige, Casey, do the honors.
Ayun. So, Ma'am Leslie, actually, itong dalawa, nakapagbigay naman sila kahapon ng overview ng standard insurance and other offerings, no?
Yes.
So, Ma'am Leslie, ano po ba yung ulitin natin yung mga promos and offerings na meron tayo with our standard insurance?
Okay. Pagdating sa promo, actually, it's a very timely po August, no? We are celebrating our 67th anniversary. So, ang tagal na po ng standard. And we are offering po yung zero interest promo natin, no? Using credit card, 12 months. Up to 12 months, actually, pwedeng mag-enjoy yung ating clients. And using BDO credit cards, BPI, Metro Bank, RCBC, Union Bank, and HSBC. So they
Wow.
can enjoy 12 months installments.
Yeah. So that applies for like comprehensive insurance.
Comprehensive.
All offerings, Ma'am.
Actually, all products.
All
Kasi we have
products.
actually standard insurance offers various products, not only motor car.
Ayun.
12 months, pwede mag-ano is yung, tama ba? Minimum of 7,000.
Ayun.
They can enjoy the zero interest up to 12 months installment. Ayan.
Ayan, guys. So, dapat talaga po magpa-insured tayo ng sasakyan. Ano, kasi may mga ganyang magandang offerings. Avail na natin yan, especially sa Standard Insurance Naga.
Ma'am Jones, let me stress, kasi ang kagandahan po nito using credit card, they don't need to go to our offices para i-swipe lang po yung physical card. We are just going to send payment link via emails. So protected po yung kanilang card. So hindi na kailangan
hassle na.
magpunta. Very
yan.
convenient po.
Very convenient. Very nice, Ma'am Ellen. And happy anniversary sa company.
Thank
niyo,
you,
ma'am.
thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much po.
Ayun. So, any more ano po ba ang mga pwede natin i-offer pa aside from our 12 months zero interest?
Ano kita kay Miss Karen?
Ayun, Miss Karen.
Here po is yung iba naming products na personal accident as low as 65 pesos po. May personal accident na po kayo for 1 year. And then, meron po kaming Family Protect and House Protect. Pwede nyo po yung ma-avail. Pwede po kayo pumunta sa aming branch sa Naga, 4th floor, Deca Building, Panganiban Drive, Naga City. Pwede nyo po kaming makontakt sa aming Facebook page na Standard Insurance Naga Branch. And then, may mga contact number din po kami.
Yes.
Opo. Yung contact number po namin, phone and Viber, is 0917-8364-362. Yan po.
Ayun. Perfect. Thank you so much, Miss Karen.
By the way, ma'am, yung mga kliyente po natin, no, pwede po sila dumiretso dito sa Hyundai Naga para po kumuha ng insurance. So, readily available naman po, no? Kasi meron po tayong pwedeng mag-issue ng policy. So, our clients can just wait, no? Yung policy. So, pwede po silang dumiretso dito. They don't need to go to Naga pa. Dito na lang po sa dealer po. Pwede.
Perfect. So, very accessible, Ma'am Leslie, no?
So, ayan po. Thank you, Ma'am Leslie. May
Thank
gusto
you.
ka pang sabihin? Invite sila or ano pong...
Syempre po, maganda po yung mga bagong sasakyan. So, ang
Ayun.
ganda-ganda po ng mga produkto ng Hyundai. So, visit po Hyundai Naga and Hyundai Legazpi.
Ayan. Thank you,
Alright.
Ma'am Leslie.
Thank you, Ma'am Karen, Ma'am Laika, and of course, Ma'am Leslie.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Ma'am.
much.
Congratulations po sa inyo.
Okay,
Thank you.
ma'am. Thank you po.
Alright, so, ayun. So, thank you so much our major sponsor, Standard
Yes.
Insurance, care of Ma'am Leslie.
Yes.
Ayan, Ma'am Zoms.
Ayun. So, sample pa lang yan ng ating mga pasabog ngayong araw na naman. But of course, dahil media and content creator day to day, syempre hindi dapat matapos yung araw na wala tayong i-interviewin.
Ayun.
Diba?
Of
Na
course.
from the content creator.
Ayun.
Ayan.
So, may we call in the most beautiful La Cochera na ganyan, Miss Carol.
Ayan. Hello, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Miss Joms and Miss Casey.
Good
Yes,
afternoon.
Thank you. Thank you for coming.
Ayun to. So, La Cochera na ganyan. La Cochera talaga. So, very, very nice, ma'am, na you are here with us here in Hyundai Legazpi. And I believe last week nandun din tayo sa
Naga City.
Hyundai Naga. So, thank you so much. Kamusta naman, ma'am, yung experience so far with our car launching of our Hyundai hybrid lineup?
First, I'd like to represent the content creator community na rin. Thank you for inviting every one of us po from us. And congratulations to Hyundai. So,
Thank you.
especially here in the Bicol region, I'd like to highlight Naga City and Legazpi City for creating this wonderful event, this channel of informing us that you already have your hybrid cars. And it's really nice. I saw everything from the machine, the interiors, everything is really good. Would you like me to highlight more? What I learned from your really good sales agents here in Hyundai, thank you for assisting us. Usually, yung ibang mga hybrid cars, we know na parang more on parang generator yung gawa ng makina pag hindi na nag-work ang electric. But I'm so happy to learn that you have a parallel hybrid system.
Ayan.
Perfect.
And that's what I saw na kinda top-notch from Hyundai. A little of parang one notch higher. You're very competitive in your game. And of course, hindi ako masyadong maalam because I own a car na hindi pa hybrid. But for someone who is like a solo lady traveler, La Cochera, I'm so happy to know na that parallel hybrid system, which is actually not just for, ang tawag dyan, yung mga models na high-end, but to all, tama ba?
All
to
hybrid
all
natin.
hybrid cars. So it works for here, sa Kona, sa Tucson, sa Creta, sa Santa Fe, sa Elantra. And yun, it works like, it can work. The car is deciding for you, depende sa terrain, sa speed,
Yes.
sa need ko. And I think for someone like me who caters on safety and fuel efficiency, and someone na I really care about where I go and how I will be going there, sobrang helpful ang hybrid cars niyo.
Wow,
Yes.
thank you naman.
So talagang i-hire ko na to si Madam Sales Consultant. Napakagaling mag-explain.
Oo nga.
So, ayun, tama yan, ma'am. Actually, hindi komplikado yung parallel hybrid ni Hyundai. Isa po yun sa pinaka-high. Ma'am, to share with you, actually po, si Hyundai, we've been using this technology for 10 years. So, matagal na po. Madaming brand ngayon na ngayon pala nag-launch ng mga hybrid models. Pero, si Hyundai po, 10 years na. All the way from Sonata, Ioniq. So, matagal na po tayo nagkikater ng hybrid. So, proven and tested na. Yun.
Yes. Ayan. Ma'am, thank you for the warm words, and also, syempre, hindi ka naman magsasabi ng hindi totoo.
Definitely.
Kasi nasa
Ayun.
tayo, social media, di ba? So, we're thankful na nire-represent mo yung content creator na kami, yung napili mo din na
I-highlight.
i-highlight. So, thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you so
Casey,
much.
we still have questions?
Well, isa na lang, ma'am. Probably top pick of all the hybrid models na nakita mo sa mga bagong lineup natin ngayon.
Sa top pick, depende. Kasi syempre, as a girl, I want something with elegant style. Sobrang nice si Elantra. Kita nyo naman, if you've already see how
Ganda
slick it
naman
is.
talaga.
Sobrang parang, talagang you can see na it's really like a luxury car na to me, like looks like. Pero kung bibigyan ako ng chance na piliin yung top one, I will go for Santa Fe.
Yes, of
Hyundai
course.
I saw the engine, the power, the torque, everything is just so powerful. And for someone like us who are always on the go, and para lang kasing for someone like me na maliit na babae, parang ang angas i-drive ni Santa Fe, right?
Yes,
Tapos
of course.
na-amaze pa ako, may moonroof na, may sunroof pa, the charging capacity, everything, parang dashboard pa lang. Okay, asa na? Bibili na. But I'd like to say thank you and congratulations to
Ayan,
Hyundai for
thank
thinking
you.
all of this. And sabi mo nga, 10 years na, naiisip or iisipin pa lang ng ibang company.
Yes.
You're already doing it for the
Oh, of
hybrid,
course.
which is again, the parallel hybrid system. Thank you.
Yan, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
you so
Miss
much.
Carol of La Cuacherang na ganyan.
Ayan guys, di ba? Nakakataba ng puso na galing sa iba yung mga magagandang sinasabi.
Yes.
Kasi syempre, sasabihin nyo, bias kami kasi nataga Hyundai kami. But pag sa ibang tao na or sa mga content creator na, syempre sila, yung reputasyon nila, hindi sila magsasabi na hindi maganda,
Yes,
di ba?
totoo yun, Ma'am
So,
Zoms.
ayan, thank you naman po. Thank you again sa mga content creator natin na andito. And kanina din na pumunta. Thank you very much sa inyong lahat.
Ayun. So, yun, ma'am. Kagaya ng nasabi natin kanina, Hyundai's hybrid technology is really the talk of the town na, no, Ma'am Zom? It is proven ang Hyundai as a brand, reliable, easy to maintain, lalo na readily available ang mga service centers natin, and backed by strong after-sales support. And hindi lang yan, ma'am. Ang warranty natin with battery is 8 years.
Yes.
So, yun, no? 8 years. So, you get the best of both worlds, fuel efficiency and performance. Diba, Ma'am Zoms?
Exactly, Casey. Lower emissions, excellent mileage, smooth drive, perfect for today's conscious driver. And with Hyundai, you know it's tried and tested. So, ayan. So, ayan, Casey.
Yes, ma'am. Before we jump into today's showcase,
Okay.
probably, ma'am, let's recap yesterday's action. Yung the beautiful Elantra, the powerful Tucson, and the premium Santa Fe. That, the stole the spotlight yesterday. So, tawagin ulit natin, ma'am, yung mga nagagapuan at nagaganda mga sales consultant para i-discuss with us yung mga highlight features nitong mga hybrid models natin?
Of course. So, Casey, before that siguro, we have to draw, dun sa, natin, sa GC. Ano po?
Yeah.
Yan.
Exciting
That's
yun.
exciting yun na, guys like and share yung page natin for a price of 1,000 SMGC. Ano po?
Yan.
Please like and share again for the 1,000 SMGC. Ayan.
Yan.
So, Barbie, are you ready? Are you ready for the countdown?
Okay.
Ayan.
So, Ma'am Zoms, ano ang i-comment nila?
Ayan. So, ang first na i-comment natin for today is Hyundai Hybrid. Hyundai Hybrid.
Comment Hyundai
down below.
Hybrid.
Ayan. Hyundai Hybrid. Pero guys, may twist tayo ngayon. Ang mga nanalo ay yung last na magko-comment after the 2 minutes time.
Oh.
Ayun. So, please like and share and then post the comment. Hyundai Hybrid.
Hyundai Hybrid and like
Ayan.
and post and like and share this post.
Okay, time starts now. 2 minutes lang po. Yung last na magko-comment, siya yung mananalo ng 1,000 SMG Gcash. G certificate. GC.
Ayun.
Mag-aabuno pa tayo, Casey.
Barbie!
Okay, are
Okay,
you ready
running na tayo. 2 minutes. Okay.
Oh, guys, please like and share and then post your comment down. Hyundai Hybrid.
Hyundai Hybrid and make sure na meron tayong share badge.
Yes,
Para sa
share
mga lahat na
badge.
nandito ngayon, please do like and share our page. It is through Hyundai Legazpi City Bicol. Naka-live tayo doon. Like and share our live stream and comment. Hyundai
Hybrid.
Okay, Hyundai Hybrid. Alright, so ongoing na po tayo. 2 minutes, ika-last na mag-comment. After 2 minutes, siya po yung ating winner.
Ayan. So, Casey, sige nga, Casey, ano nga yung mga nangyari sa atin kahapon?
Ayun. So, siguro, tawagin na lang natin sila isa-isa, Ma'am Zoms.
Pwede naman.
Alright.
Ah.
So, to give us, at least 10 great features of our stunning and sophisticated compact sedan, the Hyundai Elantra, may we call in Froilan Araneta.
Yes.
Please.
Andito tayo. Wag lang. Ayan.
Yes, hello. It's a brand Hyundai.
For Hyundai.
Yes, I'm Froilan and your certified sales consultant. And to give you ano ba yung first na manonotice nyo when we talk about Hyundai Elantra? So, first, of course, is the styling.
Ayun,
When we talk about the styling, it talks about the bold front grille, the parametric, and of course, the LED daytime running light. Plus the shark nose hood style. Yeah. So, yan yung una nyong makikita when it comes to the styling ni Hyundai. And of course, at the side, you will see the coupe-like silhouette with strong character lines. Yeah. So, meron din siyang the fastback design, of course. It doesn't just boost the aerodynamic, but of course, the strong, confident presence niya on the road. Yan. So, di ba? So, aside from the styling, you easily notice the infotainment system. Yeah, the infotainment system, pag pumasok ka, makikita mo, of course, mapipil mo right away yung cockpit focus, driver focus cockpit.
Nice,
Yan.
nice.
Yun yung tawag doon. So makikita mo agad yung 10.25-inch na digital cluster instrument. Plus the 8 inches touchscreen display. So, as you can mapapansin nyo doon sa Hyundai na Elantra, that the design is sleek, the materials are soft touch, and everything is designed around comfort and connectivity.
Nice.
Yan.
So,
more.
there's more. So, aside from infotainment system, makikita nyo din yung center console niya where you can find the wireless charging and yung malawak na space. So, yung easily can reach by the driver anytime na pwede niya mailagay yung tubig, yung something na pwede niyang kainin, yung basta hindi siya madidistract while driving.
Okay.
So, yun yung pangatlo na maganda kay Hyundai Elantra. Aside from that, the Hyundai Smart Sense.
Oh.
So when it's come to safety, so wala ka nang hanapin pa kay Hyundai because Hyundai got you covered. So it has a smart cruise control. It also has the assist, the avoidance assist, the hill start assist, the forward and reverse camera, the 6 airbags na available, the ABS, the electronic stability assist, and of course, the tire pressure monitoring system.
Nice.
Yan. So, everything is smart choice for Hyundai Elantra. So aside from that, is yung pinaka-highlight ni Hyundai Elantra is the hybrid system. So it has a 1.6-liter hybrid powertrain, giving you 141 purge start and 147 Newton meter of torque. Yan. So partners with the 6-speed dual clutch transmission. So all in all, what can you say about Hyundai? It's perfect for anyone who choose a bold design, a smart technology, top-notch safety, and of course, fuel economy.
Ayun. So well-versed. Very good.
Grabe.
Nice.
From your trainer? Very good. Okay, so yes, no? On top of that, as you can see si Elantra, no? It's a compact sedan, but you get a stance of a sports car.
Correct.
Right? And the price is really affordable. Imagine, magkano po ba itong hybrid model natin, Ma'am Joms?
Ayan, KC. So, ang hybrid natin is 1,680,000 for the premium. And for the GLS, it's 1,480,000.
Ayun.
Ayun.
I believe we also have other options aside from hybrid model system natin.
Yes,
Ma'am
yung gasoline variant natin na ICE. So, the standard or the entry variant for Elantra is 1,065,000 pesos. And then for the GL, it's 1,140,000 pesos only.
Wow.
So at this design, diba? At this look, you can get the unit at 1,065,000 pesos only.
Napaka,
Ayan.
di ba, affordable, pero ang amenities mo for that, yung GL standard variant natin, naka-touchscreen na rin yun. And you get this exact look na, di ba? This exact stance. So talagang very, very futuristic, very modern for that price, ma'am.
Yes. And aside from that, ang Elantra po natin ay meron tayong 1 year free PMS.
Wow.
Yes.
So
If you will get it for cash or PO.
Yes.
But kapag naman financing, 2 years PMS.
Wow.
Yung
So,
free natin.
2 years free PMS kung mag-financing and 1 year if it's cash
Doon
or
sa partner
PO.
banks natin,
Yes.
KC.
Okay.
Ayun.
May partner bank siya, ma'am, like
Opo, BPI,
Yes.
East Bank, and
Okay.
then
yan.
ayun,
Aba.
BPI. Video.
Yeah, ayan.
So, ayan. So, di ba? Una pa lang pong hybrid natin yan.
Ayun.
So, Royland, thank you very
Thank
much
you so much,
for that
Royland.
very short and summarized features of our Elantra. Ayan.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Ayan.
thank you so much.
Thank
Palakpakan
you.
naman natin si
Thank you.
Froilan.
And now, dun sa ating SMGC winner.
Ay, meron
May
na.
panalo na po.
Meron
so, eto
na.
na. I-announce ko na. So, Barbie, sino po ang nanalo for our... Ano po? Miss Dian Ravino. Okay. Nice.
Wow,
Grabe
congratulations.
naman. So, yung nanalo ng 1,000 SMGC, si Miss Gian.
Okay,
Ano pa?
Miss Zia Ravino,
Gian.
congratulations.
Okay.
Zian, congratulations.
Ayun, okay na? So, syempre naman, Casey, hindi lang tayo lahat salita dito. So, meron tayong...
Yes. So, syempre, next stop, tawagin naman natin ang isa sa mga nagwagapuhang sales consultant natin. May we
Ayan.
call in Paul Ellie to give us a quick recap of the Hyundai Tucson.
Ayan
Hi,
si
ma'am.
Paul.
Good afternoon. Hi, Ma'am Jams. Hi, Ma'am Casey. Good afternoon.
Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Paul, one of the certified sales consultant here in Legazpi.
Sige, Casey.
Ayun. So, Paul, madami nagtatanong kung ano ang mga best features nitong Hyundai Tucson natin.
Ayun, no? So, guys, sa unang tingin pa lang, si Hyundai Tucson is napaka-good looking and napaka-bold and elegant ang design niya.
Tingnan natin, sir.
Tingnan natin
Pakita
ang
natin.
front ng ating Hyundai Tucson. So, at first, makikita mo agad ang parametric jewel grille at ang hidden LED daytime running lights ng ating Tucson. So, thank you, Sir Raymark. So, ayun no, napaka-angas na tingnan ng Hyundai Tucson natin. And, sir, try to off na daytime running lights, sir. Para makita nila na nagbe-blend ang ating hidden LED daytime running lights sa ating parametric grille. Yan, guys, tingnan nyo naman, talagang nakatago ang daytime running light and nagbe-blend siya sa ating parametric grille. So, sa side naman, kung makikita nyo is meron siyang strong body lines na nagko-complement sa sporty look na 19 alloy wheels. At sa likod is naka full LED light bar with parametric accent. And naka-power tailgate na din with a roomy cargo area with a capacity of 1,096 liters. And pag naka-fold naman ng 60-40 ang second row ng ating hybrid Tucson is umaabot siya ng 2,109 liters. Kasya dyan ang inyong mga luggage, groceries, or even ang mga balikbayan boxes nyo. So talagang spacious ang ating Hyundai Tucson. Naka-panoramic sunroof na din ang ating hybrid na Tucson that brings natural light and openness to the cabin. Naka-dual zone automatic climate control and a shift-by-wire column type transmission. And another one is naka 1.6 turbo gasoline engine paired with electric motor engine that delivers at 235 horsepower and a 367 Newton of torque, matched with a 6-speed automatic transmission. And pagpasok mo pa lang sa driver seats, makikita mo na agad ang 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system. At madami din si Hyundai Tucson Hybrid ng Smart Sense like forward collision avoidance assist. For example, may tumigil bigla sa harapan ng ating sasakyan, mag-autonomous braking siya for 2 to 3 seconds. Lane keeping assist, lane following assist, blind spot collision avoidance. So kung kung makikita nyo may warning sign icon dyan sa ating mga side mirrors, then halimbawa may nag-overtake sa atin from sa kanan or sa kaliwa, iilaw po siya to warn the driver safety. Then rear cross traffic alert, smart cruise control, surround view monitor with a blind spot view monitor and a 360-degree parking sensors. So full of smart sensey Hyundai Tucson natin. Kaya sobrang ganda, sobrang safe. Kaya kung ako sa inyo guys, check it out nyo na sa page namin si Hyundai Tucson para sa bagong sasakyan. Let's do this!
Ayun. Thank you so much, Paul,
Thank you, Ma'am
for
Casey.
that very informative features of Hyundai Tucson. So, ayan, thank you, Paul, no? So, yes, nakita naman natin kung gaano ka-futuristic and sporty looking si Hyundai Tucson. It's, again, of course, a combination of electric motor and gasoline engine. And when you go inside, very futuristic, modern, and napakaganda ng ambience sa loob, no? So, Ma'am Zoms, I believe we have also other variants for Tucson. And of course, marami po nagtatanong kung magkano ang ating hybrid and also other variants of Tucson.
Ayan. Yung ating hybrid po na Tucson is 2,290,000. And for the gasoline variant, it's 1,680,000. And for the diesel variant, it's 1,980,000 pesos.
Wow.
Ayan. We have three variants po with
Three
the Tucson.
variants.
Gasoline, diesel, and then hybrid.
Ayun. So, kung ano po yung preference nyo for this unit, you have this complete options na Ma'am Zoms.
Yes,
So if you'd like to go for full gasoline engine, meron tayo. And of course, for those clients who are opting for a diesel variant, meron tayo. And of course, the newest model, our hybrid
Tucson.
Tucson.
Ayan.
Alright.
Okay.
So, Ma'am Zoms.
Ano po?
Ayan.
Sige nga, Casey.
Ayun, siguro Ma'am Zoms, since nagkaroon na tayo ng first winner for the raffle, comment to win. So, for sure, yung mga viewers natin, inaabangan na naman yung second round of comment to win.
Ayan.
Raffle natin, Ma'am Zoms.
Okay. This time, Barbie, get ready with your timer. Ano pa? So, we will have,
Okay?
yes, comment down. Okay. I-comment nyo po is Hyundai Kona.
Kona!
Hyundai Kona. So,
Of course, Hyundai Kona, make sure din lang po na i-like and share natin itong live stream para meron tayong share badge sa ating comment. So make sure to comment after 3 minutes, yun po yung magiging winner. Okay?
Ayun.
Timer?
yes. Barbie, 3 minutes. The last na mag-comment for 3 minutes.
3 minutes. So,
Okay.
timer
Starts now. Hyundai Kona.
Hyundai Kona, pa-comment na lang po. Hyundai Kona.
Yes.
Hyundai Kona. Alright, so
Okay.
now, Mom Zoms, to kick off the good vibes for this day 2, let's welcome the soulful voice of our very own Zane Ruiz. Palakpakan naman dyan.
Yes, palakpak naman kayo dyan. Ayan.
So again, sa mga nanonood na ating live stream, just please comment Hyundai Kona. Hyundai Kona. Okay? After 3 minutes, malalaman natin kung sino ang winner. After 3 minutes. So now, once again, palakpakan naman for Zane Ruiz.
Covers PH.
Di naman inaakalang ikaw pala ang makakasama. Ang hanap ko noon, ibang-iba sa ngayon. Ika'y dumating sa tamang panahon. Ikaw na ba yung dinalangin ko? Handa kong gawin ng lahat, magkapiling ka lang. Walang higit sa'yo, ikutin pa ang mundo. Ako'y babalik, babalik sa'yo. Tanging ikaw ang sigaw ng puso araw-araw. Aminin ko na sa'yo, ngayon na nagkakanto. Ako'y babalik, babalik, babalik pa rin sa'yo. Sino bang mag-aakalang mabibigyan ako ng pag-asa na pasalik ako? Isang katulad mo, ngunit nang dumating, napatanong ako, ikaw na ba yung pinangarap ko? Handa kong gawin ang lahat, magkapiling ka lang. Walang higit sa'yo, ikutin pa ang mundo. Ako'y babalik, babalik sa'yo. Tanging ikaw ang sigaw ng puso araw-araw. Aminin ko na sa'yo, ngayon na nagkakanto. Ako'y babalik, babalik, babalik pa rin sa'yo. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Pa para para pa pa, pa para para pa pa, pararararara, pararara, pa para para pa pa, pa para para pa pa, pararararara, pa para para pa pa, pa para para pa pa, pararararara, pararara. Handa kong gawin ang lahat, magkapiling ka lang. Walang hihigit sa'yo, ikutin pa ang mundo. Ako'y babalik, babalik sa'yo. Tanging ikaw ang sigaw ng puso araw-araw. Aminin ko na sa'yo, ngayon na nagkakanto. Ako'y babalik, babalik, babalik pa rin sa'yo. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Pa para para pa pa, pa para para pa pa, pararararara, palalala, pa para para pa pa, pa para para pa pa, pararararara, palalala.
Thank you very much. That performance set the perfect tone for our exciting afternoon. Ayan, so talaga mga taga-Hyundai, very talented. Parang ang kanilang manager, si Sir Eugene. Ayan, Sir Eugene. Shout out to Sir Eugene in Naga, our very own General Manager, Sir Eugene. Ayan. So, natapos na natin si Elantra and then with the Tucson. So, ngayon naman po, I would like to introduce also Santa Fe, of course, tatawagin natin si Ronnie ng Legazpi to explain or to give us 10 best feature of Hyundai Santa Fe. Ayan, Ronnie, come on! Come on, Ron!
Hello, ma'am.
Ayan, Ronnie.
Ayan, ma'am. Good afternoon, Ma'am Jones.
Ayan, good
Yes,
afternoon. So, eto na, Ronnie, of course, si Santa Fe.
Yes,
diba?
ma'am. Opo.
Alam ko ikaw yung kauna-unahang ahente na nagbenta ng Santa Fe Hybrid.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayan, kaya si Ronnie po, siya magbibigay sa atin ng best feature ni Santa Fe.
Yes, po.
Ayan, sige Ronnie.
So, good afternoon, everyone. I am Ronnie once again. I'm Certified Sales Consultant of Hyundai Legazpi City. So, I'm here today para sabihin yung mga features ni Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid natin. So, our 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid boasts a range of features including a panoramic curved display, a dual wireless charging, and ambient mood lighting, and advanced safety technologies. It also offers a spacious interior with optical captain seats, a powerful yet efficient hybrid powertrain, and available H-Track all-wheel drive. So a panoramic curved display, Santa Fe Hybrid has a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrates with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, creating a high-tech, visually appearing cockpit and a dual wireless charging. With the center console features a dual smartphone wireless charging pad, allowing for convenient charging of two devices simultaneously, with a built-in cooling fan to prevent overheating. Also, with the ambient mood lighting, customizable ambient lighting with 64 selectable colors enhances the interior atmosphere with H-shaped hidden mood lamps extending from the dashboard to the doors. Also comes with the advanced safety features. This Santa Fe Hybrid comes standard with forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian, cyclist, and junction turning detection, plus lane keeping assist and blind spot collision warning. Optional H-Track all-wheel drive for enhanced traction and handling, especially in adverse conditions. The Santa Fe Hybrid offers optional H-Track all-wheel drive. Also, a spacious interior. The Santa Fe Hybrid offers a spacious cabin with 3-row seating, with the options for 5, 6, or 7 seats, and also optional captain's chairs. The 6-seater version features second-row captain's chairs with a motorized relax mode and power adjust function for seat back and cushion tilt. Hybrid powertrain. The Santa Fe Hybrid powertrains combines a turbocharged engine with an electric motor, delivering a balance of performance and fuel efficiency. Regenerative braking. The regenerative braking system recovers kinetic energy during deceleration and stores it in the battery, improving our fuel economy. Also comes with remote engine start. The Santa Fe Hybrid features remote engine start, allowing you to start the engine and precondition the cabin from a distance. So, yun. So, yun ang ating features ni Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid 2025.
Ayun.
Yun,
So,
Ma'am
thank you
Casey.
so much,
Yes,
Ronnie,
ma'am.
no? So, napakaganda naman talaga nitong 7-seaters mid-size SUV natin. So, it's jam-packed with great amenities and a complete array of safety features, no? So, from this bold and rugged look, and na-mention ni Ronnie kanina yung technology na
Yes.
regenerative braking. So, tama yun, no? So, yung lagi natin minimension, hindi po complicated ang ating hybrid technology. So, through self-charging, no need to plug. And again, through regenerative braking. So, hindi po siya hassle. And at the same time, worry-free, diba?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayun. So, thank you so
Thank you so much, Ma'am
Ronnie.
Casey.
All right. Now, it's time for something new. The 2026 Hyundai Kona Hybrid will be discussed and walk around by our very own sales consultant, Sophia Hakuman. Palakpakan naman dyan.
A brand new day with Hyundai. I'm Sophia Hakuman, your certified sales consultant here at Hyundai Legazpi. Everyone, I'm pleased to present the newest addition to our SUV lineup, the Hyundai Kona Hybrid, isang eco-friendly at tech-loaded subcompact SUV na very perfect para sa city at long drives. Available ito sa GLS at premium variant. Today, folks, we're looking at the Hyundai Kona Hybrid GLS variant. At kung mapapansin ninyo, makikita ninyo ang isang napaka-wide futuristic front grille ni Kona with its seamless LED. At meron din itong daytime running lights. For the GLS variant, meron itong MFR LED. And with the premium variant, it has the projector LEDs na mas advanced at mas maliwanag. Kung titignan naman natin sa side ni Kona, ay very futuristic na ang design nito. Meron itong C-shaped side trims at sharp body lines. Meron din itong matte cladding and sporty 17-inch wheels for the GLS. And merong 18-inch naman for the premium variant. Kaya talaga namang it's giving city-ready pero capable SUV vibes. Kona Hybrid has a coupe-inspired roofline. Ibig sabihin, pababa ang likod nito, gaya ng mga sporty coupe cars. This gives it a sleek aerodynamic look na parang SUV na may halo ng sports car ang dating. Pero kahit napaslant ang likod ni Kona, hindi naman sakripisyo ang headroom sa likod nito kasi meron itong smart design ni Hyundai. And also, kung makikita ninyo, meron itong factory-installed roof rails na kaya mag-load ng up to around 60 to 80 kilogram kasama na ang crossbars at cargo. Kaya naman napaka-slick at athletic ang dating. Sa likod naman ni Hyundai Kona, both variants comes with seamless LED tail lamps. And it has an integrated high-mount stop lamp na nakapag-emphasize sa kanyang clean look design. And also, the tailgate design emphasizes width and stability. Plus, madaling buksan. It has the automatic tailgate. Pag binuksan mo naman, you'll access 466 liters of trunk space and it is expandable to over 1,200 plus liters with rear seats folded flat. At hindi lang naman labas ang panlaban ni Kona. Pagpasok mo sa loob, very modern and premium ang vibe. You're welcomed by a single panel design with 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and also it has 12.3 inches digital instrumental cluster. It also comes with smart key with push start button, remote engine start function, plus you'll get the leather seats with 10-way power adjust driver seats and dual zone automatic climate control. Kaya naman, comfort and convenience, check na check. Of course, Hyundai, hindi lang design ang panlaban. We all know that Hyundai has its safety features na talaga namang garantisado. For safety, Hyundai Kona is loaded with safety features, both GLS and premium variants. Hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa, kundi 6 airbags. Kaya naman safe na safe ang family mo kung si Hyundai Kona ang gamit nyo. It also has anti-lock braking system at electronic brake force distribution para hindi mag-lock ang gulong sa biglaang pagpreno. It also has rear camera with sensors na may beep alert habang umaatras ka, na very helpful sa masisikip na espasyo. And plus, it also has electronic stability control and hill start assist. For the premium variant naman, meron tayong 360-degree camera with blind spot view monitor, lane following assist, lane keeping assist, and blind spot collision avoidance assist. Plus, meron itong 360-degree parking sensors. At meron itong smart cruise control, kaya naman si Kona ay perfect for highway driving. And also, under the hood, this unit has 1.6-liter hybrid engine combination with electric motor and gasoline engine for better fuel consumption, boasting a power output of 141 horsepower and 265 Newton-meter of torque, mated to a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission, matipid sa gas, smooth ang takbo, and very fun to drive. So kung ang hanap nyo ay isang stylish, check, practical, check na check, fuel-efficient SUV, check na check, you have to check out the Hyundai Kona Hybrid. Once again, I'm Sofia Hakuman, your certified sales consultant here at Hyundai Legazpi. Visit us here at Hyundai Legazpi, located at Purok 5, Peñaranda Extension, Barangay Boonot, Legazpi City. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon.
Ayun, a round of applause for Sofia Hakuman. What a very informative walk around, Sofia. The Kona Hybrid is indeed a compact yet loaded with style, tech, and performance. Perfect for city life with a touch of adventure. So, Ma'am Joms.
So, nakita na natin si Kona. So, talagang pack na pack.
Pack na pack. So, jam-packed. It's really jam-packed with great amenities and safety features na, ma'am.
Guys, speaking of Kona Hybrid, we have here the very first owner of Kona in Hyundai Legazpi.
Wow.
Ma'am, thank you. So we call on Sir Pepe Burse and Ma'am Karen Burse.
Ayan, dito po ta. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin sila. Okay, congratulations for your first Kona, no? First Kona user. Ayun.
Kumusta po?
Okay naman. Thank you for inviting us here in your what do you call this? Dealership here in Boonot.
Nabigla si ma'am. Nabigla sila kasi bigla namin silang pinatawag ngayon. So, ma'am, thank you po. Sir Pepe, thank you. Ayan, Casey. Sige nga, Casey.
Ayun, Sir Pepe and Madam. So, may mga katanungan lang po tayo, Madam, no? So, kakamustahin lang po sana natin kung kamusta po yung naging proseso ng ating pagpunta dito sa dealership, yung process ng pag-avail ng Hyundai Kona.
Okay. Kudos to our sale agent, Miss Sofia Hakuman.
Ayan, yay!
Actually, this is our third car, and maybe I can tell that she is one of the best agent that we've encountered. Oo, sobra siyang supportive, madali siyang kausap, hindi siya nagagalit kahit makulit ako, and ang dami kong tanong. So, Actually, yung si Sofia din ang nag-introduce sa amin, ba't namin nabili ang Kona. Hindi talaga to ang first choice namin.
Yes.
Oo. So,
I believe, regalo sa kanilang anak.
Yes.
Yung unang napili ni
And
ma'am.
the first time na nakita namin siya, do you believe in the first
Love
at first sight? Nung nakita namin yung
Wow.
Kona doon sa
Pacific
Mall.
At saka, actually, gusto na nga naming bitawan yung pagkuha ng Hyundai. Kaya lang, dahil nga doon sa binigay niyang idea na bisitahin namin yung last day ng display doon sa Pacific Mall. So, nung nakita namin yung Hyundai Kona, sabi ko, eto na. So kaya pumunta kami kagad dito. And then, yun nga, ako, din kay Mrs. si Sophia, and then si Mr. Rowan, talagang napaka-friendly at saka napaka-accommodating sa amin.
Ayan. Thank you, sir. Thank you for that comment po. Anyways, Case?
Ayun, so thank you po, no? Nakaka-flatter na. Talagang na-love at first sight tayo kay Kona. So totoo naman talaga, no? Very slick and sophisticated ang design ni Hyundai Kona. Parang kayo din, Madam at Sir Pepe, no?
Yes, opo.
Ayun.
Thankful kami, guys.
Yan.
Thankful kami kasi pinaunlakan kami na mabigyan ng interview sila ma'am at si sir. So, ayan. Casey.
Ayun, so ma'am, ano po yung pinaka-memorable na experience ninyo?
While driving the Kona.
While driving
Si Sir
Hyundai
pala
Kona.
yun.
In driving Kona? Yes. Actually, this is my first time na makapag-drive ng hybrid car. And then also yung full lot of alarm. So, nakikita ko na economical and then also friendly user talaga si Kona.
Wow.
So, I think hindi lang Kona ang pwede naming makuha o ma-avail sa Hyundai.
Yes. Thank you naman, sir. Thank you po.
Ayun, so mukhang magkikita ulit tayo sa next lunch na naman.
Yes.
So, is this your first Hyundai car po?
No, we have already Ion.
Wow.
So, satisfied naman kami kasi sa Hyundai cars. In terms of yung aircon niya, until now, malamig pa rin and everything.
Yes! O, diba guys? Hindi yun galing sa amin. Galing na yun sa ating voice of the customers.
Ayun.
Ayun.
So, Sir Pepe and Madam
Karen,
Ma'am
opo.
Karen, thank you so much po na pinaunlakan niyo po kami ngayong hapon.
Yes.
Ayun. So,
ayun.
congratulations po our
Sila
first
our very
Kona
first
owner!
Owner of Kona here in Legazpi City. Ayan. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you po. Thank you. Sir, thank you. Ma'am, thank you po. Ayan, Casey. So, i-announce na natin yung nanalo na. Kasi may nanalo na tayo doon sa pangalawa nating 1,000 SMGC. Ayan. Barbie. Second winner.
Meron na tayong nanalo, ma'am.
Apo. Okay. Ang nanalo for the second 1,000 SMG gift certificate ay si Miss Fevy Sarte. Okay.
Wow.
Ayun. Isa 3 minutes. Diba? Click ng click. Click ng click sila. So, nanalo talaga. So, tiyagaan lang to guys. Ano po? So, yan. Para may maghahakot dito ng 1,000 SMG gift certificate.
Ayun. So,
okay.
ma'am, meron pa tayong
Yes.
Raffle.
Yes, of course. Bago ang lahat pala, I would like to inform the public of the price of Kona. Ayan. Ayun. For the Kona GLS, the price is 1,528,000 pesos. And for the hybrid, it's 1,680,000 pesos.
Ayun. So, it's really a real value for money, Ma'am Zoms.
Yes.
For that price, you get a stunning Hyundai Kona.
Okay. Guys, ganito. May twist na naman tayo. Ayan. For the 1,000 SM gift certificate, may question kami.
Ayun.
So ito naman, pabilisan kayo ng sagot. Tamang sagot. Ito yung first na tamang sagot. Diba? So, first na tamang sagot. Ayan. So, 1,000 SM gift certificate. Question. Okay.
Yes.
Siyempre, ang tatanungin ko si Miss Casey. Kasi, guys, ang itatanong lang naman namin dito is yung paulit-ulit namin ng mga pinagsasasabi dito.
Yes.
So, ayun.
Ayun. So, please comment down below kung ano itong 4 units na bagong launch ni Hyundai.
Pabilisan po. Ayun.
4 units na bagong na-launch ni Hyundai.
Yung mga nilaunch natin ngayong hapon, 4 na units.
4 na units. First to
Yan.
comment.
Yung first na nag-comment, siya yung mananalo ng 1,000 SM gift certificate. Ayan, pabilisan po. Bilis, bilis, bilis. Meron na ba? Meron na? Meron nang nanalo? Wala
na?
pa? Ayan na. Wala? Oh guys, wala pa. Yung 4 natin na hybrid models worth 1,000 SM gift certificate. Ayan. Paki-complete po yung ating name ng 4. At least yung
pangalan ng car. Yes.
pangalan
yung
ng car
pangalan ng car
natin na 4.
4 hybrid models na newly launched ni Hyundai. Ano po ito?
Sino po ang pinakaunang nanalo? Ay pinakaunang nag-comment? Doon ka mag-base, Miss Barbie.
First to comment. First to comment.
First to comment. Ayun, meron na nag-comment.
Oh, may madami na.
Pinakauna po na nag-comment.
Meron.
Okay.
First to comment.
Sina, okay. Ayan. Ayan.
So, may nanalo na. Okay, so standby po kayo. Mayroon pa tayong raffle after nito.
Okay. Ang nanalo ay si Barkel Karin? Karin.
Ano po yun?
BRQL Karin.
Ayan. Miss Karin.
So,
Karen.
Oh, yes, Karen.
Ay,
wow!
Karen!
Andito pala siya, yung from Standard.
Yay!
Okay. So, awardan agad natin ng 1,000 SM
Bigyan
gift
agad
certificate.
ng 1,000 gift certificate yan.
Sadali lang po.
1,000 gift certificate. Alright, so hindi lang po dyan nagtatapos ang ating live stream. Madami pa po tayong aabangan. At meron pa rin po tayong paraffle. Ano po? So, congratulations sa mga nanalo. Meron na tayong 3 winners for today's event. So, again, pasalamatan lang ulit natin ang ating mga sponsors. Standard Insurance, Babam Car Care, Varems, IMJ Interactive, Electronics, ABS Catering, and of course, our Hyundai Parts and Service. So, Ma'am Zoms, ayan na.
Ayan, awardan natin si taga-standard.
Ayun,
So, ayan. O, ayan guys, meron pa tayong pamigay. Pamigay ng payong from Standard Insurance. Ay, Sophia, bigyan mo naman si Ma'am ng payong. Si Ma'am Karen. Ayan. Bigyan mo ng payong si Ma'am. Hi, Karen, halika dito for your 1,000 SM gift certificate. Ayan.
Alright. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Yay!
Thank you.
So, di ba,
Oh,
totoo
guys,
ang gift
may pamigay
certificate?
na payong si Ma'am Leslie. So, comment, i-comment natin ngayon. Comment,
Standard
Insurance. Okay, comment Standard Insurance. yung 5 unang mag-message ng Standard Insurance,
Comment
yung makakakuha
First
ng...
5 customers.
Yes, first 5 customers makakakuha ng payo.
First 5 customer, comment Standard Insurance. Ito, example, ang ganda pa naman ng payong ni Standard Insurance.
Ayan.
So, ito po siya. Standard Insurance, thank you so much. Ayan, care of Ma'am Leslie. So, first 5 po na magko-comment. Standard Insurance.
Ayan.
Ayan, so madami na ako nakita nagko-comment. First 5 na mag-comment for Standard Insurance.
Sir Raymond Hermie Odiada. Sir Raymond Hermie Odiada. Roan Escobar.
Okay, go on, ma'am.
Sige.
Dito, ma'am.
Yung nanalo na, hindi na sa kasali ha. Ayun.
Okay, so, first, Standard Insurance. Itong
Raymond Hermie Odiada.
Okay.
Ayan.
Ay, congratulations.
Oy, si Sir, si Sentrong Bacolandia. Nabigyan
Ay,
niyo ba
hello.
ng...
Thank you,
Ayan,
Sentrong
thank you, Sir.
Bacolandia.
Sentrong Bacolandia. Kuha kayo, Sir, ng payong... isa lang po. Anyways, sino pa? Carlo Venosa.
Very good.
Isang payong. And then, Richie Alemania. Richie Alemania. Ilan na yon?
Tatlo na, ma'am.
John Mark Sarte.
Okay.
Ayan. Feby Sadia.
Febe Sadia. So,
Ayan. Palista po.
Feby Sadia.
Isa na lang. Hazel Joy Bombita. Ayun.
Ayun. So, ayan yung
Sino yun? Yung
5.
mga nagbigay, comment ng Standard Insurance.
Standard Insurance.
So, yun.
Papayong, no?
Ayan. Ayan, okay na. So, Casey, ano ba ang susunod na natin? Parang ano na tayo. Pakilist po yung mga sa payong. Ano po, pakikuha po yung names. So, ayan.
Ano, ma'am? Of course, ma'am, to take a break from this walk around and raffle, meron tayong isang sales consultant na magsa-serenade ulit sa ating ngayong hapon.
Ayan, ang ating gwapong-gwapong Raymark Bobbies.
Yes! Palakpakan naman for Raymark Bobbies.
Ayan.
Event and meron pa rin po tayong pa-raffle after the performance of our very own Raymark Bobbies. So again, give it up for our very own Raymark Bobbies.
Nag-iisa at hindi mapakali, ibang-iba pala pag wala ka sa aking tabi. Pinipilit kong limutin ka, ngunit di magawa. Sa bawat kong galaw ay laging hanap ka. Nag-iisa ang isang kagaya mo, na nagmahal at nagtiyaga sa isang katulad ko. Bakit nga ba di ko man lang nabigyan ng halaga? Nagsisisi ngayong wala ka na. Kulang ako kung wala ka. kasama. Nasanay na ako na lagi kang nariyan. Di ko kayang mag-isa, puso ay pagbigyan. Kulang ako kung wala ka. Nag-iisa sa bawat sandali, at tila ba biglang nahati ang aking gabi. Umaasa na sana'y maging tayong dalawa muli. Sa puso ko'y wala kang higit. Kulang ako kung wala ka. Di ako mabubuo kung di kita kasama. Nasanay na ako na lagi kang nariyan. Di ko kayang mag-isa, puso ay pagbigyan. Kulang ako kung wala ka. Kulang ako kung wala ka. Di ako mabubuo kung di kita kasama. Nasanay na ako na lagi kang nariyan. Di ko kayang mag-isa, puso ay pagbigyan. Kulang ako kung wala ka. Kulang ako kung wala ka.
Ayan, thank you very much for that wonderful singing of Raymark.
Yes,
Ayan.
Raymark Bombes. Thank you so much, Raymark.
Ayan.
Okay, Ma'am Zom. Ang gaganda ng mga units natin, starting with Elantra, Tucson, Santa Fe, and Kona. Pero I believe meron pa tayong nami-miss na isang hybrid model. Alright.
Ayon, Casey, yun na nga. Siyempre, hindi natin ipapatalo yung flagship na hybrid na to. So, though wala tayong display, kasi po, indent order po siya.
Ayun.
Oo,
Pagka
ayun.
indent order, Ma'am Zoms?
Mga 2 to 3 months.
Ayun.
Yung ano natin. Especially po, marami kasing nagpumpila. Maraming nag-order for the unit.
Yeah.
So, ikaw na mag-reveal, Miss Casey. Kung ano yun.
Okay. So, the newest addition to our hybrid model is our Hyundai Palisade.
Yes,
Hyundai Palisade, no? So, our Hyundai Palisade, Ma'am Zoms, is a full-size SUV, but ang price position po nito is sobrang affordable. But the amenities and features, it is packed with really great features, no? It has this bold body silhouette and strong proportions and modern flair. And it has also LED daytime running lights with vertical LED daytime running lights. And of course, it has a 2.5 turbocharged gasoline engine with a combination of, again, electric motor and gasoline engine, and delivers a power output of 334 power output. And ang maganda po sa ating hybrid na Palisade is 4x4 ito, Ma'am Zoms.
Yes.
Just the same with our Santa Fe Hybrid. It is 4x4. Pero meron kakaiba sa 4x4 ng Hyundai Palisade and Santa Fe. What we have is H-traction, no? Hyundai traction. So kagandahan po niyan is nagde-deliver po siya ng power sa front wheels or sa rear wheels kung saan mas kailangan during the drive. And when you go inside, ang kagandahan po, it is a 7-seaters with Napa leather seats. Meron din siyang captain chairs with third row na split fold bench seats. And lahat po ito power adjustable, no? With heated, ventilated, and relaxation seats. Ang maganda po dun sa driver's side, it has this massage functions. So, pwede po magpamasahe yung driver kung medyo pagod na siya mag-drive, no? Pero syempre, hindi pwede during driver. Baka makatulog yung driver natin. And of course, it has integrated memory seats so that you can set your sitting configuration. Now, on top of that, of course, you will be greeted with a 12.3 digital cluster and infotainment. And of course, you have this heads-up display and 14 speakers na Bose speakers. So, maganda po yung palo ng Bose speakers nito. And meron din po siyang ambient mood light and of course, panoramic sunroof. Now, also, it has this finger recognition, no? With UVC tray, wireless charging, and ample USB ports. And of course, lagi naman po na ang safety is the top priority of Hyundai. So it also has this ADAS features, surround view monitor, reverse parking collision avoidance assist, blind spot view monitor, forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping, lane following assist, rear occupant alert, parking distance warning, and many, many, many more. So, to give you more about this newest hybrid flagship SUV namin, feel free to message us in our pages in Hyundai Naga City Bicol and Hyundai Legazpi City Bicol and Hyundai Daet Cam Norte. So also, again, you may also visit kung gusto po natin na may actual na salesperson na makausap or actual na makita yung mga units po. You can visit again our dealership. Dito po sa Hyundai Legazpi, we are located, Ma'am Zoms, at
Peñaranda
Extension,
Barangay Bonot, Legazpi City.
Ayun. And
inside Apollo Tires.
Ayun. And in Naga City po, located kami sa Harlika Highway, Del Rosario, Naga City. In Daet naman, Ma'am Zoms, dun po kami malapit sa SM Norte, Vincent's Avenue.
Yes, malapit siya sa SM.
SM.
Ayun,
Daet.
oo. By the way, Casey, yung price ng ating Palisade
Ayun.
is 3,990,000.
Yun.
Ayun.
So, that price, ang ganda na ng amenities, di ba, ma'am?
Okay.
And full-size SUV na ito.
Ayan.
Okay?
Oo.
Very impressive. Ma'am Zons, grabe. Nakakatawa itong 2 days event natin.
Yes, oo. Actually, nakakamiss, di ba? Mamimiss natin tong ganitong mga event. So, watch out for next month again, guys.
Ayun.
So, hindi kami titigil hanggat hindi nakakapasok ang Hyundai sa inyo.
Ayun.
Diba?
So, alam namin na karamihan is very busy sa work, sa bahay. So, hayaan nyo po na every now and then, makikita nyo po kami ni Ma'am Zons para
Yes.
to give you more information about our promos, our new lineups, and many, many more. So, watch out for our live stream every now and
Yes.
then together with our sales consultants and probably more visitors, no? So, yan. Standby lang po kayo and meron din tayo mga upcoming activities for sure.
Yes. And guys, meron din tayong upcoming units na darating pa. So, I will not reveal it yet kasi syempre hilaw pa and wala pa talaga siyang memo. But units will be coming in. The Hyundai units will be coming in. So, with ayun, in connection with that, guys, ready ang ating Team Legazpi na pinamumunuan ni Sir Roan Escobar. Ano po? And then, from Team Naga, we have Miss Casey and Miss Mafe. And also, in Team Daet, hawak din ni Miss Casey na ang TL niya doon ay si RK. Ayun. So, we have 3 branches. We have here in Legazpi, our pop-up store. And then, from Hyundai Naga City, and also Daet. Ayun. Guys po, yung dito sa atin sa Legazpi, nasa may Bonot, Bonot, Barangay Bonot, Peñaranda Extension, Legazpi City. So, ayun. Ayan, asan na ang aking partner? Nawawala siya. Ayun. So, alam ko, naghihintay pa rin kayo sa 1,000 SM gift certificate. Ayun. So, another round of prize. Ayun. Okay. Eto, kasi bagong-bagong kaisipan to, no? So kung sino yung unang nickname lang ba? Or
Nickname lang, ma'am.
Okay. So guys, worth 1,000 SM GC. Please comment down below, like and share our page. So, ito ha, or sino, ayun, ano na lang, ano ang name na mga host nyo today? So, ano mga name namin? Yung partner ko, anong name namin? Kahit po, nickname lang. Yung ika-10 tamang sagot, yon ang mananalo ng 1,000 SM GC. Ika-10 po na magpo-comment ng name namin. Ayun. Masasabi ko pa talaga. So, ayun. Kung anong name namin ng aking partner.
Okay.
Ayun.
Ano po yung mga pangalan namin? Nickname is okay.
Yes,
Kasampo.
nickname lang. Opo.
Alright. So, okay, while waiting, Ma'am Jones.
Yes, ano yun?
May susunduin akong actual to na, Ma'am. Actual na meron tayong customer na currently nag-release tayo ng unit.
Yes.
Okay. So, tawagin ko lang, Ma'am
Anong
Jones.
unit to, Casey?
Well, ang i-release niya po today is Creta GLS.
Yan, isa
Pero
yan
po,
sa mga mabenta sa amin ngayon. Yung
Pero ma'am,
Creta.
pangatlong unit niya na ito with us.
Oh, wow. Our
unit
valued
A
client.
really valued client. Tawagin ko lang, Ma'am Zoms.
Sige po. Thank you. Anyway, sino po ang nanalo? Sa raffle na 1,000? Ayon, ang nanalo ng 1,000 SMGC ay si Miss Laika May. Ayon, Laika May. O ano ba yan? Naghahakot ang standard staff. Ayon, halika dito. Miss Laika May. So, ayan. Siya po yung nanalo ng 1,000 SMG cash. Gift certificate. So, mama, ibibigay ko sa iyo, ha? Kasi hindi ako makaalis dito. Ayun. Ayun, guys. Guys, thank you po. So, ayan. Tatawagin namin ang aming valued client. Hindi lang isa, kundi pang-3 niya na pong unit ito sa Hyundai. So, guys, nakakatuwa kasi po, nakikita nyo kung makikita nyo yung aming mga clients, talaga pong sila ay mga valued clients na kapag nakabili na ng Hyundai, ayaw na nilang lumipat sa ibang brand. So, ayan. Ayan, we are calling now our client.
May nanalo na ba, ma'am? May
nanalo na doon sa 1,000 SMG certificate. Ayan.
Wow.
Si Laika. Galing naman ng standard. Ayun.
Yay.
Galing. So, ang galing mag-click at magpindot. Ayun.
Mabilis.
Ayan.
Mabilis mag-timing, Ma'am Zom. So, Ma'am Zom, eto, sinundo ko na nga ang ating kliyente. So, talagang mahilig tayo mag-shotgun approach, no? So, ito po, napaka-candid nitong interview na to. First time kami. First time kami mag-meet ni Madam, actually.
Ayun.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
so,
thank you.
palakpakan naman natin our valued customer, Ma'am. Pwede po namin malaman ang magandang pangalan natin?
Yeah, I'm Jo Dollar. Actually, They used to call me Teacher Jo because I own a school in Tabaco City.
Ah, nice. Anong school ito, ma'am?
Heaven School.
Ah, wow. Well, ma'am, thank you po na I believe pang ilang sasakyan mo na ito with Hyundai?
Yeah, pangatlo.
Pangatlo.
Apa,
So, wow.
apa.
Kahit yung boses ni ma'am, no? Kahit ako mapapa-in-awe sa boses ni ma'am Zo.
Apa.
So, ni Teacher Zo.
Si Teacher Jo.
So,
Ayan.
ma'am, na-mention niyo po na pangatlong unit yun na ito with you. Ano po yung mga units niyo with us?
Yeah, Eon. That
Eon.
was the first.
Wow.
And then Stargazer.
Nice.
And now Creta.
Wow! Palakpakan naman natin si Madam. Palakpakan naman natin.
Palakpak naman kayo dyan, guys. Ayan. O,
Alright.
diba? Pang tatlong car na ni Ma'am and Creta yung pangatlong car niya. Ang susunod niya daw is Santa Fe.
Ayan. Let's pray for it.
Yes,
Yes,
Ma'am.
manifesting, ma'am.
Ayan, si
Manifesting.
Teacher Jo. Ma'am, may question lang po kami.
Yes po.
Bakit po patuloy at paulit-ulit pa rin kayo bumibili sa amin, sa Hyundai?
Yeah. First and foremost, yung Hyundai brand was really tested already. Diba? So from Eon and then Stargazer. Kasi yung Eon namin, almost 8 years na. But
Wow.
still working properly. So it's being used by my only daughter. Ngayon.
Nice.
So gamit niya pa rin hanggang ngayon. And aside from that, of course, sa agent nyo.
Wow! Sino kaya yun?
Si Franz Datiles.
Ayan.
So,
Nice. Palakpakan naman natin si Franz.
si Franz.
Halika, Franz.
Ito, napakagandang Franz.
Yeah.
Actually, Franz
Apa.
is one of our top saleswomen.
Yes. Palagi ko nakikita.
Ayun, okay.
Apa,
So, congratulations, ma'am. no?
Yeah, thank you, Franz. So,
kami.
malaki kasi yung factor yon in terms of handling customers and clients. So, very accessible si Franz and lahat ng mga tanong namin, nasasagot niya.
Ay, wow.
Diba? So, yung comfortability and trust siguro, isa yun sa kung bakit we stay sa Hyundai. Aside from quality, of course, of the brand. Diba? So, yun isa yun, yung power, and then yung sustainability nung brand ng Hyundai, nandun talaga.
Wow.
Thank you,
Ano naman
Ma'am.
masasabi mo, Franz?
Actually, para ako nanalo sa loto sa mga sinabi ni ma'am.
Totoo naman,
Totoo.
syempre.
Oo.
And alam naman natin, actually, yung maganda po sa mga sales consultant natin here with Legazpi, Naga, and Diet, very accommodating po lahat ng ating
Sobra,
sales
sobra.
consultant.
Opo,
Ayun.
opo.
So, ma'am, ngayon po naka-Creta GLS na po kayo. What made you choose this Creta GLS once again? Ano yung nag-stand out sa kanya?
Yeah. Yung looks. And then yung power. Kasi nung it was clearly explained to me by Franz kasi from the past years, hindi talaga ako nagda-drive. And ngayon lang lumakas yung loob ko because of my responsibility sa work. So I have, palagi kong ang tawag doon, nakukuha yung time ni husband just to assist me. So parang yung yung job and nagsasuffer din. So, I have to be strong and kailangan lakasan ko yung loob. And nung naghahanap ako, nakita ko yung Creta. Parang yung personality ko, di ba, fits in doon sa kung ano yung meron yung Creta. So, sabi ko parang, hindi naman siya very feminine, pero parang yung strong talaga. Di ba? So, para bilang isang babae, biglang naging gano'n na. Yeah.
Nice.
So, parang, isa din yon, kumbaga, para mag-push, di ba, doon sa kung ano ba yung kayang gawin ng isang babae. So the power and the strong and the looks of Creta really mark Hyundai. Ganun.
Wow!
very
Ayan,
nice.
nakakatawa ng puso.
Thank you po.
Very empowering
thank you
yung
po.
words ni Madam. So, thank you, ma'am,
Thank
for
you so much
sharing
po.
your experience with
Yeah.
us.
Apa,
Nakakatuwa,
apa.
ma'am. Ano po ito? Talagang biglaan.
Kaya nga medyo
choice
kinabahan
of the
ako ng
customer.
konti. But syempre kung ano yung totoong experience namin sa Hyundai, so yun yung nagmamatter.
Yay!
Apa.
Palakpakan ulit natin si
Palakpakan
Madam.
natin si Ma'am.
Thank you so
Alright,
much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you po. Thank you so much.
Franz. Thank you po.
Ayan.
Okay po. Alright, Ma'am Zons, I believe we have a winner.
Nabanggit ko na si Miss Laika.
Ay,
Ayan,
Standard
okay.
Insurance.
Don't forget to get your price later sa akin, ha? Oo. Ayan, Casey.
Ayun.
So, nalalapit na ang pagtatapos ng ating event today.
Yes.
But syempre, hindi matatapos si Hyundai sa pagpalabas ng ating mga new units.
Opo.
Yes.
Tama yun.
Oo. So, we expect na talagang yung mga tao na na-inform namin kayo, nabigyan namin kayo ng magandang options for hybrid. Opo, and sana makonsider niyo si Hyundai. Kasi talagang proven and tested na po ang hybrid
Yes.
ni Hyundai. Yan.
Alright.
So, ano yung naiiba kay Hyundai? Parallel hybrid siya.
Parallel. So,
Ayun.
ulitin lang natin, ma'am. So, isang wrap-up lang to our hybrid models. Again po, proven and tested na ang hybrid technology ni Hyundai. We have been using this technology for 10 years now. Tapos, when it comes to usage of this hybrid system, madali and hindi komplikado. Hindi mo kailangan i-charge. Self-charging po ito through regenerative braking. And it's parallel hybrid. So, tama yung sinabi ni Erigenia na Lacuachera na ganyan kanina, no? So, top-notch yung ating hybrid technology. Kasi most of the hybrid models nowadays, you still have to charge the battery, diba? So now also at the same time when it comes to after sales, meron tayong service centers all over the Philippines. And when it comes to battery, we are back with 8 years warranty. So yan po yung maganda sa ating mga hybrid models. Ayun. So ma'am, mukhang palapit na tayong matapos sa ating Day 2 event.
Yes. Of course, Casey, bago natin to tapusin, we will still have another 1,000 SM
Oy,
GC.
1,000 GC
So guys,
na naman.
don't forget to like or share and comment on our page.
Yes.
So yon.
So, alright,
ayun.
Ma'am Zobs, ano na naman kaya ang i-comment
Ano naman
nila?
naisip natin?
Okay.
So ayun. Okay. Kindly comment down below Hyundai Legaspi.
Hyundai Legaspi. So, pang ilan ito, Ma'am Zoms?
Ika 42.
42nd
42 comment. 42
Okay.
comment.
40
Ika 42
second.
comment. Hyundai Legaspi.
Hyundai Legaspi pang 40
Pang 42.
second na comment. So,
Yes. So,
comment na
Barbie,
po kayo. Make
please
sure na
count na.
mag-like and
42.
share. Like and share lang po. Like and
Meron pong
share.
share badge.
Yan. So, make sure po na may share badge tayo. 40-second na mag-comment. So, yan.
42.
42.
Yes.
Ayan, 42.
Ika 42 na magko-comment. So, papaguri natin na magbibilang. Magbilang kayo ng 42 comments. Ayun.
Okay, so Barbie,
Again,
nagbibilang na
we
po ba
would like
tayo?
to thank our sponsors, Standard Insurance, Naga City, Babam Car Care Service, Barems, IMJ Interactive, and our caterer, ABS Catering, and Electronics. Ayun. So, syempre, Hyundai Legaspi City.
Yan.
Ayan, guys. Please look for our page, Hyundai Legaspi City Bicol.
Yan. So, palakpakan
andan.
natin ang mga consultants natin.
Yes.
And ang mga backroom na who made this event successful, Ma'am Zoms.
Yes.
Yay.
And yung pong mga gustong mag-apply sa amin, you can still apply as sales consultant. So we're
Ayun.
inviting yung mga wala pang work dyan na gustong magka-work. Open si Hyundai Legaspi, Hyundai Naga, and Hyundai Daet.
At yun,
Yes.
kung saan po natin gustong ma-assign.
Yes.
Yeah, all over
So
Bicol.
apply kayo guys, yung gusto ng trabaho. We can give you that, of course. So please submit your resume at our branches in Legaspi, Naga, and Daet. So you can email also us in our email. We will just post it on our
Facebook page.
Ayun.
Okay. Ma'am, while waiting for the winner for our last raffle, comment to win it. For the closing remarks, Ma'am Zoms.
Siyempre, di pwedeng matapos na walang closing remark. Ayun. So, but anyways, guys, thank you po. Thank you sa mga naging bisita natin kanina, mga content creator, vloggers, yung mga clients natin. Yung ating first ever Kona Hybrid client, sila Sir Pepe and Ma'am Karen Curse. So yon, sila po yung first Kona owner dito sa Legazpi. Ayon. So, ayan. Gusto ko din pasalamatan yung ating team from Team Legazpi and also from Team Naga na nandito ngayon, na nagsusupport sa atin. And lahat po ng mga viewers na nandyan ngayon, na nagko-comment pa rin, nagko-comment ng Hyundai Legazpi para sa 1,000 SM gift certificate. Guys, yun po, legit yun. Magte-text lang kayo. Ano po, or magko-comment lang. Ayan, nagta-thumbs up na sa akin si Barbie, so may nanalo na. So, sino ang nanalo ng 1,000 SM gift certificate? Sir Derek Villa. Ayon, Sir Derek Villa, nanalo ka ng 1,000 SM gift certificate. So, sino po yung kakilala ni Sir Derek? Pakibigay na lang sa kanya yung prize niya. Tsaka po yung mga nanalo ng payong, pakikuha na lang po yung mga prize ninyo. Paki-message kami para makuha yung prize ninyo. Ayon, eto na. So, hanapin ko lang yung aking kodigo. Ayon. So, as we close today's momentous Hyundai Hybrid launching here in Hyundai, nang wala siya, I would like to extend a heartfelt gratitude to all of you who took the time to be part of this exciting milestone. Today marks not just the introduction of our cutting-edge hybrid vehicles, but also our commitment to a cleaner, more sustainable future for the Bicol region. With the launch of the Hyundai's hybrid lineup, we are not only offering advanced mobility solutions, but also inspiring responsible and forward-thinking driving. To our valued customers, media partners, and our Hyundai team members, our Ma'am Leslie Standard, and our guests, thank you for your continued support and trust. Your enthusiasm and presence made this event truly special. Let us drive forward with innovation, sustainability, and the Hyundai promise of quality and excellence. We hope to see you on the road driving Hyundai Hybrid. Thank you and see you again soon. So ayan, Casey. So thank you po sa mga nanood, nag-comment.
Yes,
Ayan.
salamat po.
Oo.
So from all our bank partners from yesterday,
Yes.
our valued customers na bumisita kahapon, hanggang sa mga content creator this morning until this afternoon. So maraming salamat po.
Ayan.
So,
Casey, we're done?
Yes.
We're done today, but not tomorrow. Ano po?
Yes.
Kasi bukas ready na kami na magbenta ng madami. Di ba?
Ayun.
Team Legazpi.
And Team Naga. And of
Ayun.
course, Team Diet.
Ayun.
Okay, so lahat ready na, Ma'am Zoms.
Yes. So tomorrow is another day.
Tomorrow is another brand new day with Hyundai.
Ayun.
So
yan.
yes, this has been Casey Bigia Vinosa.
And I'm John Bider.
See you again for more surprises only here at Hyundai Legazpi,
Yes.
Hyundai Naga, and Hyundai Diet. See you around. Thank you.
Okay.
Congratulations and celebration! Yay! Hey!
Nako po. Kakatuwa.
It all starts with a single line.
tells you this is different. It frames the way we stand still, the way we move forward, boldly. Premium has its shape.
There's a quiet freedom in every moment behind the wheel. Here, it's just me, the road, and limitless possibilities. Every breath, every mile, a reminder that the road is mine. Above it all, beyond the ordinary, the Hyundai Santa Fe. Open for more.
Something is calling, and I can't help but